Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Power Quick Pot and an accessory I recently got for it. I'm going to do a little demonstration on how to use it for the pressure cookers. So let's get started. So we got this Power Quick Pot from Costco a couple months ago and we got ours for $39.99. And I know that Walmart has them. I think this one is an 8-quart, and I believe I saw it on Walmart for like $56 last time I looked. But on Costco.com, they have this one, but with extra accessories and more recipe books. And I saw that they have it for $44 with shipping included. So if you do have a Costco card, that's a really good price for it. So just a little price comparison to the Instant Pot. I saw that Costco has a 6-quart. They don't have the 8-quart, but I saw online that they had the 6-quart for $90. So I checked Walmart and Target to see what they charged an 8-quart Instant Pot for, and it was around $100. So it's a pretty big price difference for these different pressure cookers when they do a lot of the same functions. A little bit about this. So in the box, it came with this. And so you open it up and it comes with this stainless steel inner pot, and it came with a little rice cooker, spoon, and a measuring cup. And I've washed this in the dishwasher many times and it's still really good. I've used this several times. We've used this for many different meals, which I'll go into in a little bit. But my mom wanted me to do a review on this right when I got it, but I kind of wanted to wait to really give an in-depth review on my thoughts after using it for a long time. And I can't really compare it to the Instant Pot, but I love this thing. It's seriously amazing. And then it also came with a lid for if you're not pressure cooking. It has several other functions that you can just use this regular glass lid for. And it also came with the manual and a recipe book, which has a ton of recipes in here. I haven't tried the recipes in here, but they have a lot to choose from just if you're wanting to try something different. So this has 1300 watts and it has 8 different preset cooking programs. It has pressure cooker, sous vide, steam, saute, slow cook, bake, canning, yogurt. It also has your own timer and temp that you can do manually. It has a delay timer, and then it has a keep warm function on here. So after it's run its time, it will automatically jump to keep warm, which I really like about it. And then for each one of these buttons, there's all different options. So for the pressure, you have the option of beef, fish, pork, all different of the meats and vegetables to pick, and then a high, low, and medium set. And each of them have their own personalized options in there for you to pick from. And I have used most of these except the sous vide, the yogurt, the canning, all the other ones I've used. We use the pressure cooker the most just because it cooks the meats really well. So we cook chicken breasts a lot in here, so I'll do the pressure cooker on medium heat and it cooks in 30 minutes. And with the manual, it gives a lot of specific information on whatever you're cooking. It shows you how long you should cook it, what setting to do. It gives you so many examples of each of these cooking programs. So this manual is really helpful. So Veckle sent me this stackable egg steamer, and it sells on Amazon for $8.99. You can fit 18 eggs on this at one time in your pressure cooker. And this thing could fit in the Instant Pot, the Power Quick Pot. It names a bunch of different brands for the pressure cookers on their website on Amazon, which I'll link everything below. And it can fit in the 6-quart or the 8-quart. And this thing doesn't have to just be for eggs. You can put anything that you want to steam on here, vegetables, meats, seafood, whatever that you want. And it doesn't even have to necessarily go in your Instant Pot. You can set it on your kitchen and use it as like a cooling rack. You can use it as a dessert tray. You can use it as a pot holder, anything. And this is stainless steel and it just fits right in there. And I'm going to demonstrate how you would use this for cooking eggs, since that is kind of what the main thing with these little holes on here are for. I want to see how easy it is to cook hard-boiled eggs in here and just test it out, because no matter how many times I've tried to cook hard-boiled eggs on the stove, I just can't get it right. So I'm hoping that this will be a little bit easier. So I'm going to move all this into the kitchen and we're going to get started. Okay, so I got my water, and it says for the 8-quart to use 1.5 cups of water, and for the 6-quart to just use 1 cup. Okay, we're going to click pressure. And then it's blinking custom, and that's the one we're going to do, but it gives you all these different ones. Oh, it has egg on here. 4. Okay, well, let's try this. Low, medium, high. Let's do high. All right, so now what it's doing is it's building the pressure up, and once it actually gets up to the heat it needs, then it will start cooking. And then when it's done, it'll beep, and then we're gonna let it naturally release, because if you do quick release, you do the little notch on the top to open it, and this thing goes and like does all the steam. You have to be careful because that shit is hot. Then we're gonna throw our eggs in a ice bath and we'll see how they turned out. Okay, so it just got done, and you can see how the little thing right here, it says keep warm. So I'm gonna shut that off because I wanna do the natural release for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna lift the latch. Hear all that steam coming out. And open that baby up. And a lot of water comes off here, so you gotta be careful. I kind of let it drain into the pot for a minute, and then I set it near the sink so it can finish draining. All right, these eggies have been soaking in the cold bath for a little bit, so I'm gonna take them out. These are very easy to peel compared to some other ones I've done. Wow, that looks great. Those look perfect. Wow. All right, so that is my completed review of the Power Quick Pot and the Stackable Egg Steamer. I seriously love this Power Quick Pot. It is amazing. You can get rid of so many of your other appliances that take up space and just convert all to this one. And this is a really cool function. I'm gonna use it for multiple things with steaming the eggs. Like, this thing is seriously awesome. So go check it out. It's from Veckle on Amazon. I will put the link below, $8.99. And yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.